Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this car. It has a leak right here. As you can see, it's all wet. Everything's wet. The floor, everything's just covered in water. And I was taking a look here. I was following the leak, and I found this, that it comes from here, right there, and it's dripping all the way through here on the side of the frame. And I already found where it's leaking from. It's not actually a leak, it's just water stuck in there. And what I found is just water stuck in there. Right there, there's supposed to be a water drain here. There's a hole and the water should come down and water off. And to find the problem, I'm gonna take off the wheel and I'm going to remove this compartment, this splash shield, and we're gonna take a look of the water drains to see if they're clogged or not. If they're clogged, I'm gonna clean them and I'm gonna pour water on top to make sure it goes all the way down. Alright, I'll take the wheel and I'll be back. And as we can see, once I remove the wheel and this splash shield, these are 8mm bolts, and there's probably like 7 or 6 of those. You have to remove them, and these are just rivets, and you can pop them, or I just move to the side. But we can see here it's full of leaves, and that's not good. And the drain, it's right here. It's this little nipple right here. As we can see, it started to drain, so I'm gonna take it off and clean it. Take it off and clean it. There we go. See, this thing is full of junk inside. It has a lot of, sometimes it's just better take this off and leave everything that, but I'm gonna cut this off and put it back, and I'll pour water on top to see if there's any more leaks or not. Be back. Just cut this. I cleaned it. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. I took off the rubber thing because it was ugly. I don't know why they just put that rubber thing. It makes the things got clogged really quick. So I'll put this back into the car. I'll do the same thing for both sides. It's better to do it on both, so you can prevent from clogging again. And we'll test it out. Okay, so right now I'm going to test the water thing. And now putting water on the roof. And now, whoa, it's coming. Both sides? Yep, both sides. Good, it's working. And now, guys, I'm going to do the same process to this side. Take off the wheel, the splash shield, and we're gonna do the same process as I did on the other side, so it can prevent the cabin to get water again. Right, I already removed the wheel, and to remove these little rivets, you just pop the middle of them and the pin goes out, and then you can remove and pull this off. And as you can see, there is the other drain from the roof that it's already clogged. Probably if I squeeze it a little bit, the water is gonna come out. Yep, this thing is full of dust and gunk. we can see it's full of dirt. And I'll put this in half. I'll cut this in half and put it back. As you can see, the water is draining already because there's water stuck in there still, and it's just draining already because of this thing. That's pretty much it, guys. How to fix this issue with these BMWs. If you own any BMW, it pretty much applies to all of them. If you have sunroof, make sure your drains are clear, and if you have a same problem like this, please share and subscribe. Share this video. If you go to the dealership, they charge a lot more, but this is a quick and you don't need any parts to fix that. So give a like, thumbs up, subscribe and like, and see you next time.